everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video about Digital Wealth Pros, the bonuses and the update that we have that I want to share with you about this opportunity. If you heard of this before and you just want to know if this is a good opportunity to get involved with, what are the perks of becoming a member and how you can actually start earning with Digital Wealth Pros, I'm going to be able to give you that information today. And I'm excited about this opportunity because we are now taking advantage of level 4 that is going to be available in approximately, well, October 1st. So whenever you're watching this video, October 1st is when they are launching level 4, which is going to allow people to collect unlimited $1,500 by paying out one time. Right now, the day that I am recording this video, we now have where if a person come in at the $800 level, they are automatically bumped up to the $1,500 level. And I wanted to show you guys this payment proof because I had a person come into my team and take advantage of the $800 level. As you can see here, this is one of the payouts that I received from this opportunity. And I'm excited for that person because this is a system like no other. I'm excited about what they offer for the trainings. And I like the fact that they have the call center. So some of the things that people wanted to know about Digital Wealth Pros. I'm hearing some things. Is this a good opportunity? Are the call center reps real? Do they answer the phone and actually help you get started? And yes, that sale that came through was from them contacting DWP. They called and left a message. The customer service returned the call, answered their questions, and they're the ones who actually send over the link in order for you to get started. So I cannot make money and they will not get access to their back office if they are not getting a call back from customer service. Because with DWP, in order for you to get started, you have to get a link from them so that you can pay your admin fee and you can actually have access to your back office. So here you can see they have the countdown for the new level, which is again going to take place October 1st. And right now there's a free upgrade that's going on where if you come in at the top level, you're going to automatically get bumped up to the $1,500 level. Okay. And what you're going to get is this. This is your back office where it has your member ID. Everyone gets paid through their member ID. So when you leave your name and your number of where to be contacted, you also are going to leave the ID number. And this information, the call center reps have in the system so that they can access your website and give that to the person who's looking to sign up to get involved, okay? So let's talk about some of the other levels that they have available because the 800 is not the only level. They start off at the $200 level. They have a 400 and an 800. And then again, starting October 1st, they will have a $1,500 level. These are one-time payments to get started. You do not need to pay anything monthly. The only other charge that's on top of you paying your sponsor is the admin fee. The administrative fee is for the call center reps, for them setting up your website, for you to get access to the training, the back office, the membership area, okay? So for the $200 level, it's a $97 one-time fee. For the $400 level, it's a $97 one-time fee. And then you have the $800 level, it's a $197 one-time fee. And all of these levels are gonna allow you to get paid directly to your account. So you can accept payments however you want. Some people do Cash App, some do Zelle, some have a third-party payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. You can also use TransferWise. So it's really up to you how you want to get paid. You're going to be able to put that information here in your back office when you go through the getting started portion of this training. And that's going to, again, allow you to start sending out your link, your website to people who are interested in your offer. Now, for my team at the $800 level, you're going to get this customized website at no additional charge. It's also going to come with bonuses. And no matter what level you come in at, you're going to have access to the bonuses. Okay. Of course, the higher you go, the more bonuses and the more training you're going to have. Okay. But you can start at any level and you'll get access to some of the bonuses that are available for that particular level. Okay. If you want a customized website down here, you just pay the $97. This is a one-time payment and you can have a customized website. If for some reason you cannot afford the customized website, you can always use the Digital Wealth Pros website that they give to you when you become a member. So you don't have to feel pressured into getting this website. A lot of people do like it. They love the flow. They love that it has more information on there and that you can collect payments directly from this website. But if you do not have the additional funds for whatever reason, you can get it later on and just work your business with the Digital Wealth Pros website. Okay, that is also an option. So here it has the steps. You first choose how much you want to get paid. You decide on the level that you're wanting to get started at. Here's the information. You can click here to see the bonuses for each level. Okay, so you get everything under the DWP Digital Library. Even in the library, depending on what level you come in at, depends on the actual training you're going to get. And then step 2, you're going to call to pay your one-time admin fee. Here is the admin fee amounts for each level. Okay. And then after that, you're going to set up your back office to make sure that you get your website done. You have your payment information in. You can also include your picture here. Okay. You have your member ID. You have your different capture pages. And then right here is the sales site. So if you want to see what their site looks like, all you have to do is I'll just copy it here and paste it so you guys can have an idea of what their website looks like. So this is the website. It comes with a video just like the customized website. And then when you hit show me more, it's going to pull up more information about Digital Wealth Pros along with your picture, your ID, your name, your email. And then here you would just call support to get started. Okay. So this is how theirs is formatted. Again, it's a little bit different from mine, but it still has all of the information that you need so that a person can make an educated decision on if this is the opportunity that they want to get involved with. After that, step 4, you're going to start driving traffic and get paid. Now for the traffic, they have a ton of different traffic strategies that you can choose from. This system is literally set up for you not to fail. Okay. What I highly suggest and recommend is that you start out with the traffic source that resonate with you the most and that you feel is easy enough for you to apply and do on a consistent basis. Because when you're running traffic to your website, you're going to be doing it often. You're going to run traffic a lot. You're going to be putting your information out on a consistent basis. Always go with the traffic strategy that you like the most, but you feel is the easiest for you to apply on a consistent basis. Okay, that's really important. So here again, they have the information. If you want more information about Digital Wealth Pros, the link is in the description below. Also, information to reach out to me directly will be in the information in the description below. If you want to take a look at the different bonuses that I offer for my team, that information also is going to be in the description when you click on the link, and it'll take you here where you have all of the information for the bonuses that are going to automatically populate to you when you make your payment. So when you make your $200, $400, or $800 payment, you're going to get an email with all of the bonuses and the information needed to set up your website. If you do not see that email, please check your spam mail because more than likely it's sitting in the spam box because it goes out again once you make your payment. So yes, I am excited about this. I'm excited about the 4th level where people can now collect the $1,500 payments. That's going to be a game changer again for a lot of families and people who are a part of this program. And I'm also looking forward to seeing what training they have attached to the $1,500 level. And I will have a video out about the different trainings that they have available to those that sign up at that level. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I hope that this gives you enough information to see if this is something that you want to do. Again, I feel that Digital Wealth Pros is a great opportunity. It's a way to get some help with assisting you with your opportunity because you have the call center reps there answering the questions for you. But not only that, it takes away that the feeling of needing to know everything in order for a person to get started. And that really is what counts. When you have support like that, you have a call center rep, you have people who can send out your link on your behalf. They can answer the questions on your behalf. That just really takes the pressure off to really focus on other things like traffic generation strategies. So again, I'm excited about it. I hope you are too. If you have more questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.